Hello everyone, in this video I'll be building the Spider-Man No Way Home Lego kit. Now this kit is actually from Spider-Man Far From Home. We got Mysterio, the drone, Spider-Man, and Nick Fury. Nick Fury and Mysterio both don't appear in Spider-Man No Way Home. So it's kind of funny that it has it branded as Spider-Man No Way Home. But besides the fact it's a 4+, 73 pieces, it's Spider-Man versus Mysterio's drone attack. So again, another thing that didn't happen in Spider-Man No Way Home. Here's the back of the box. We got 3 figures, Spider-Man's web, blasters, and 2 vehicles, or a car and a drone. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys how to build this. So I think I can do this. It's 4+. Oh, we got a nice body for the vehicle there. And instructions. More instructions. So we will, let's set it back there, get into building this thing. I don't think it's going to be that difficult because it's pretty small, only 73 pieces. This is what the instructions look like. I'm going to first build Spidey Boy, Spider Lad. These bags are numbered. I don't think I've seen a numbered bag before. This is one of my first ever of these, so I already got Spider-Man assembled. He's a nice little shiny body there. That's cool. I like Spider-Man. And then we'll give him his web. It took me a little while to realize I have 3 other Spider-Men, but they hold it like that. I was just grabbing the rope. We have Mysterio here, which I'm assuming his head is the blue head. And then some pieces there. Mysterio's body. And then the dome that goes over top, Mysterio. There's also going to be a robe or a cape here. I believe in this little box. Yep. Ooh, it's a nice cape. I don't have any capes like this. They're single hole. Most of the capes that I have are double hold, which are kind of annoying to put on, but this is just a little slip on. Boom. Done. Oh, and the cape was nice. It flows. So there's the completed Mysterio, completed Spider-Man figures. And it's going to get me, take the web. Oh, and it attaches onto there. Cool. It's a big web. Spidey can also hold the web. Boom. Cool. And there's Spider-Man. Built Mysterio already. We'll take Mysterio's goodies here. He has a little controller that has a button that goes on the front, and I believe that button also goes on the front of the drone as well. And a little goblet of some sort. Forget what that should be. The picture's yellow, but it's got the red one there. So here we'll call them the drones. Now we're going to start building the car. We take this big block here and then take one of these ones. Put it at the back, assembled like such. And take 2 of the pink bricks, and they're going on both sides of this here. 2 of the pinchy blocks. Oh, I think this is like separated. This makes it easier for dummies like me to build these. It's cool. And then some of these green bricks, flat plates. Go boom, boom, boom. There. And take the big top. I'm going to put it on like such. And the little arms are going to go into there. Oh, those are cannons. Cool. Or some drone part. And we're going to take big brick and this brick. We're gonna go boop boop. That there. And the remote is going to go on the front part there, similar to his remote. They have the same faceplate. And then the little capped blocks here and here to finish this up. That's looking pretty good. And then you can shoot these. Pew! Cool. So they shoot all the way through. And you get 3 of those. Cool. Next. Oh, there's split into 2 pieces. Book 1, book 2. Book 2 is for Nick Fury and company. Just Nick Fury, actually. And his big man thing. Alright. So we're gonna first assemble Fury. This is a cool little minifigure. It's got a little the shield jacket, his eye patch. And there we have Lego Nick Fury. Love these Lego characters. And he's got blasters. Cool. We have Nick Fury both. Because why not? Boom. Piece. Oh, this one's kind of looks like it's gonna be easier to build. It's got some advanced pieces on it. And there's Nick Fury, double blasters. Cool. We're gonna take a big car piece here. And there's, we're gonna assemble the wheels. They're separate pieces. The rubber goes on top. This is cool. I didn't know Lego had like tires and all this kind of stuff. The last one. There we go. I'm gonna shove them into here. Oh, wrong way. Cool. They simply just snap into the slots. And then we got ourselves the vehicle. And now we're gonna build the interior part, just yellow brick that goes to the very back. Steering wheel all in one piece. Look at that, that's kind of cool. It's gonna go down in front of the yellow. I'm gonna put the front bumper on it. Or the back bumper, actually. And then 2 of these yellow bricks are gonna go boop boop. And I knocked one bricks off, putting the other one on. There you go. Reversed. And then the front piece, the headlight piece. And it looks like the headlight piece is printed. Yep, that's cool. There we go. I'm gonna put one of these flat black pieces on the back. And then coat it all the way around with these ones. And there's one right on the front. Cool. It's coming along. Next we're gonna take the mini yellow one, bump it up, and then, ooh. Oh, I messed up. It's even possible to take that brick off too. Oh, come on. Kind of like stick it on and peel it off. Nope. Goodness. Don't want to mess up your Lego builds. Watch my channel to figure out how. Oh my goodness. It's on there good. Oh, let's break the whole brick off to get it. Oh my goodness. You really put it on there good. My nail is like bending. If anyone knows a better way to remove these, please like just comment. There we go. Of course. Now it's stuck on the bottom of that. You can just fast forward past this part of me getting completely wrecked by this. Alright, we got her out. So, that, no, I completely destroyed the thing trying to redo this. That goes there. This goes there. And then we're gonna put this oh, maybe I did do it right. Wait. How? Ah, I see. There we go. Finally got one step closer to doing it correctly. So now we're going to take this piece and put it on top of the yellow. Or no, we're not. We're going to put the front piece on first and then figure out where the other one goes. So I don't know why that piece had to be yellow at all, because now we can't even see that piece. And that goes on there. Get one of these bricks. Ooh. Looks like characters can hold on to this. I'm going to take the two black bricks there and put them on the side. They have holders. The little progress bars, Nick Fury. It's so cool. I'm going to put that facing back like that. And then this big piece, I've never seen a Lego piece like this before. It's going to go on the front as a windshield. Hey, it's coming together. And one of these goes on top. There's a red and blue one, go on top of there as well. Red, blue. Wow, and there we have it. It holds his guns and everything. So I'll put those on. It's kind of clever. It's a good holster for them. They have to aim away though, just due to how the gripping and all that works. I'll put Nick Fury in his ride. There we go. Nick Fury in the little police blaster car. We have Spider-Man, No Way Home. And then we have Mysterio as well. It's a pretty cool little kit. And the drone too. Can't forget about the drone. This is a pretty cool little kit. Spider-Man No Way Home. Now in theaters. Alright. So this is my... I don't even know how many of these I've done now, but I might keep them coming. These are kind of cool. I now have a little Lego collection going. Never thought I'd be doing this again. Interesting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.